Marcus, you need to get back here right now.
What's going on?
Nothing good. Hurry.
Hey Marcus, one of our followers swiped an email from a home student. Juicy shit, my friend.
Guys, I got a lead on a potential pedophile working for home.
For fuck's sake. Big Brother's a sex offender? This is exactly why we went after home. So who is this guy?
Cole something or other. I don't have a last name.
We probably got an employee list from our home head. Let's see. Uh-huh. Cole Lang.
I'll find him, get some evidence, see what kind of person home is harboring.
Marcus, what does home system look like to you?
CTOS Junior.
So it wouldn't surprise you to know that they've got a deal going on with Bloom.
After what we just did to them? Yes. I bet all deals are off now. What were the terms?
CTOS code is the base of home software. Collected data sold back to Bloom. At a hefty discount, of course.
Sounds like we showed up at the right time then.
Jacking the shipment, stop it! Protect the shipment!
Oh my god!
at it again. The search engine giant announced they will be acquiring yet another startup tech company. This time, it's InstaWheels. Noodle purchased the car-sharing startup for $750 million. The startup's future was already threatened by Driver San Francisco.
Protect the shipment!
Yeah, hold your horses. I'm looking through my kitty feeds now, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, Pervert Cole.
Fucking menace.
Let's wreck his world.
Bath time. I got a never-ending supply.
Okay, so when can we meet? Because I need something new for the weekend.
Prices are going up, Chris. This is exclusive material I'm providing. One customer, one kid.
I don't know, man. You're not the only dealer in town anymore.
This is primo. What the fuck are you doing, Grizz?
I didn't do anything.
Well, can you hear me?
Yeah, I think that was on your end, man.
Must be a bad connection. Okay, what was I saying? Where'd you go?
I'm right here.
No, not you, Grizz.
Do you have the footage or not?
Yeah, I know everything's cool. On second thought, I got another kid in mind for you. Lost my fucking train of thought.
You were talking about bankrupting.
Oh, right. Something's coming that you're really gonna like, Grizz. I'm gonna need $2 grand.
$2 grand? Are you out of your mind?
$2 grand is a fucking bargain. I could go to jail for this shit.
You should go to jail for robbing me. You already have my fucking life saving.
You know what? Forget I called. I got customers who'd remortgage their house for this shit.
Okay, just hang on a
Fuck me! Grizz, are you still there? Child labor piece of shit! 6, 8, 11. Jesus, everyone wants preschoolers. Once they hit grade school, they're too fucking old. Hon, my headset's on the fritz again. I gotta hit the store.
Really? Cole?
Did you get all that?
Yup. Jesus Christ.
I wish I could reach through the camera and strangle that guy.
Don't worry. This footage is already circulating. Society will do the strangling soon enough. Marcus, one of our latest followers sent me this. Consider it a follow-up on Home's CEO.
What would you guys think about shooting a little exercise fail video starring the CEO of Home?
Stephen Bader? I'd love to have another go at humiliating that pompous ass. Why an exercise video?
Peepin' Steve is at the gym right now. Buckle in and get ready for a show, my friend.
Christmas is coming early this year.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
provider of smart houses in the Bay Area, is facing allegations that it violated homo.